Hello my fellow home and garden enthusiasts, Dave here again, and in today's video I'll be giving you my honest opinion on the Ideas for Landscaping plan. When I first bought my home, I couldn't wait to redo my front and backyards, but I made a big mistake. I rushed and I hired a professional landscaper. A few $1,000s later, while it was an improvement, it was still not completely to my liking. Now, don't get me wrong, they did a good job, but there was just something missing, a certain personal touch that would say that the landscaping was unique to my home. I got curious and started researching what would be involved if I were to take on such landscaping projects by myself. I stumbled upon the Ideas for Landscaping plan and I decided to give it a shot. And boy, am I glad I did. I was amazed to find out that a complete buffoon like myself, someone who is not very creative and not very good with their hands, could turn my front and backyards into my own personal oasis, and with my own hands. I was able to redo my front and backyards at a fraction of the cost compared to when I hired a landscaping professional. But the best part for me was that the landscaping was now customized to my liking, and it brought me a great sense of pride knowing that I did it. And I owe it all to the Ideas for Landscaping plan. What makes the Ideas for Landscaping plan so great is that it gives you access to over 7,000 plus landscaping ideas. And they are grouped into over 60 categories such as front yards, backyards, patios, gardens, etc. And new plans are constantly being added. And unlike a lot of home and garden magazines which just show images, each plan available through Ideas for Landscaping includes straightforward step-by-step instructions with colored images. So if you're considering doing some landscaping for your property, please learn from my past mistakes. Don't rush and hire a landscaper. Give the Ideas for Landscaping plan a chance first. You'll be amazed to find out what you're capable of doing yourself. The Ideas for Landscaping plan is only available through their official website, which I have linked below. Act now and you will be able to purchase it at a discounted price. And as an added bonus, they will also include some additional reference resources that will come in handy with your landscaping journey. They are so confident that you will be pleased with it that they offer a full 100% 60-day money-back guarantee. So in summary, if your main objective is to save some money, or if you're the do-it-yourself type, I can honestly say that the Ideas for Landscaping plan is for you. You can thank me later. I hope you found my video informative. If so, please like and subscribe to my channel where I will share more of my first-hand home and garden experiences. Until next time, my friends, happy landscaping.